Is your Samsung phone's USB connection failing repeatedly? This can happen due to dirty parts, faulty cables, or software glitches. No worries, here's how you can fix the USB connector constantly connecting and disconnecting. So let's dive into it. Solution 1. Turn off USB debugging. First, go to the settings, then scroll down to the bottom. After that, tap on developer options. Now find USB debugging and then turn it off. Solution 2. Clear USB cache and data. Go to the settings again, scroll down, and then tap apps. Now find the Samsung USB-C headset. If you don't find it here, then tap on the three lines from the right middle of the screen. Then turn on the Show System Apps. Next, tap on OK from the below. Now scroll down and find the Samsung USB-C headset app. After that, tap on it. Now find storage. Then tap on it. Then tap clear cache and data from the below. After that, check your issue whether it is solved or not. If not, Solution 3. Reset app preferences. Go to the settings, then scroll down. After that, tap on apps. Next, tap on the three dots icon from the top right corner. Then tap on Reset App Preferences. Next, tap on Reset. Now restart your phone and check your issue. Solution 4. Check Software Update. Go to the settings again, then scroll down a little bit. Tap on Software Update. Next, tap on Download and Install. If you have any updates available, it will start downloading automatically. That's it. Your issue should be fixed now. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.